Number 3. What are the solutions to the quadratic equation 4x squared minus 8x minus 12 equals 0? So there's a couple of ways you can solve this. Since each coefficient of the quadratic is even, that means that there's a common factor of 2. So we can simplify this a little bit. So if we factor out a 2 from each one, we get 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 equals 0. And these coefficients are also all even still, so we can factor out another 2 from each one. So then we get x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now you can use the quadratic formula. You can factor it into two binomials, which I'm going to go ahead and pull out the quadratic formula. So x is going to equal the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Plug in what we know, so that we know the opposite of b is 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared, negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 3. Don't forget the negative. All over 2a, and a is 1. And this simplifies to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus negative 12 all over 2. And that simplifies to 2 plus or minus square root of 16 over 2, which simplifies to 2 plus or minus 4 over 2. And since now we have a plus or minus, we can have 2 plus 4 over 2 and 2 minus 4 over 2. 2 plus 4 over 2, 6 over 2, which is positive 3. 2 minus 4, negative 2 over 2, minus 1. So our terms are negative 1 and positive 3, which is option